Welcome to Race TV. We are celebrating International Literacy Day, observed every year on 8th September. This day highlights the importance of literacy as a matter of dignity and human rights, and it emphasizes the need for education for all. Let's delve into the history, significance, and ways to celebrate this important occasion. International Literacy Day was proclaimed by UNESCO in 1966 and has been celebrated globally since 1967. The day aims to raise awareness about the importance of literacy and education in improving individuals' lives and fostering sustainable development. Literacy is not just about reading and writing, it's about empowering people to participate fully in society. The first International Literacy Day was celebrated on 8 September 1967. It was established to remind the world of the importance of literacy and to address the global literacy crisis. According to UNESCO, over 773 million adults worldwide still lack basic literacy skills, and many children do not have access to quality education. This day serves as a call to action to governments, organizations, and individuals to work towards eradicating illiteracy. Literacy is a fundamental human right and a key to personal and societal development. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions, improves economic opportunities, and enhances health and well-being. Literate individuals are more likely to participate in civic activities, understand their rights, and advocate for themselves and their communities. International Literacy Day is celebrated with various events and activities around the world. Schools, NGOs, and communities organize literacy programs, workshops, and reading sessions. Many organizations launch campaigns to promote literacy and raise funds for educational initiatives. It's a day to celebrate achievements in literacy and to encourage further efforts to improve education access for all. You can celebrate International Literacy Day by getting involved in your community. Volunteer at local schools or literacy programs, donate books, or organize reading sessions for children. Share your experiences and promote the importance of literacy on social media using the hashtag #HushLiteracyDay. Every small effort counts in making a difference. Here are some interesting facts about literacy. The global literacy rate for adults is approximately 86%, but it varies significantly by region. UNESCO estimates that for every additional year of schooling, a person's income can increase by up to 10%. Countries with higher literacy rates tend to have better health outcomes and lower poverty levels. International Literacy Day is a reminder of the importance of education and literacy in creating a better world. It encourages us to reflect on our role in promoting literacy and to take action to ensure everyone has access to the education they deserve. Let's work together to make literacy a reality for all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Race TV for more insightful content. Join us in spreading the word about literacy and education. See you next time.